Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue on Windows 10 or Windows 11 and the error shows where something didn't go as planned. No need to worry. On doing changes, please keep your computer on. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then sinik mo lang dito yung run as administrator if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ang ilalagay natin or ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung command keyword na this part. Ayan. Type mo lang yung this part and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito yung this part versions and yung ating computer name. So ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type ay type mo lang yung less des. Ayan. So i-type mo yung less des and then press mo ulit yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito yung des mga kaibigan at yung status inyong online. Okay. So, ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type ay type lang natin yung select -0. Yan. So, isiselect lang natin itong -0 online. And then next ay press mo lang yung enter. Okay. So, makikita mo na dito yung -0 is now the selected des. Alright. So, ang next command keyword na kailangan natin dito i-type ay type mo lang yung less partition. Ayan, and then press mo lang yung enter. Okay. So, makikita mo na dito yung partitions from 1 to 5. Ang next step ay select the partitions that say system important. So, sisinig lang natin dito yung partition 1, ito yung system. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na select partition 1. And then press mo lang yung enter. Okay, so once makikita mo na dito na partitions 1 is now the selected partitions, so ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-paste ay copy lang natin tong command keyword na to. So ilalagay ko to sa description box and then copy lang natin yan, and then kailangan lang natin dito i-paste. So dito sa taas kailangan mo lang mag-right click, select mo lang dito yung edit, and then click mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. And then press mo lang yan. And then next step ay press mo lang yung enter. So once makikita mo na this part successfully set the partitions ID, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin ito i-close. So close lang natin. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so once nakapag-restart na tayo, and the other option solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click lang natin yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. And then dito sa right side, i-click mo lang tong run. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic procedure. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na troubleshooting has completed, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the problem still persists, so just try other solutions. So close lang natin to. And then dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung background intelligence transfer service. Okay, so sinik lang natin to background intelligence transfer service. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click and then pop up itong kanyang properties. So ang next step dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa startup type. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung automatic. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa kanyang running ay click mo lang tong stop and then wait natin. And then next ay click mo lang dito yung okay. Right? So ang next services local na kailangan natin i-locate. So scroll down at i-locate natin yung Windows Update. Okay? So scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin yung Windows Update. Ito siya. So dito kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And then dito sa kanyang general and then dito sa startup type. So select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then dito sa running, click mo lang tong stop and then wait natin. And then next ay click mo lang dito yung apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then ang next solution na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin. And then dito lang sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all is more later lahat and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And then makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix something didn't go as planned. Don't worry, undoing changes in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.